If you recently upgraded Veeam Backup and Replication from version 11a to version 12, you might have failed backup with warning status like this. This issue is happening because there are some permission that has been revoked automatically after the upgrade. Here is the quickest way to fix this issue. First, go to Configuration, click on Infrastructure, choose any project, and click Edit. Now, click on Roles and then Permission. As you can see, there are some warning result due to revoked permission. To resolve, click Download Script. Now, click on the downloaded file to open it. Select all and copy entire content. Go to GCP console and then click Cloud Shell to launch it. Create a new file with vi command and then paste the content you just copied in it. Once done, save it. Now change the file permission to executable by using chmod. To execute the script, type /filename and hit enter. Once this is completed, you can now go to Veeam Backup for GCP and hit Recheck link to check the permission again. As you can see, the warning status turned to Passed. Click Next and Finish to save configuration. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to check out new tutorials from us.